It's a two-in-one alarm clock slash night light with a fabric finish around. Optional, you could plug it in or you could use battery for optional, which is a really good idea. You could dimmer the front like this right here. It dimmers all the way low, or you could put it all the way high. You have 10 different night lights option from different color by just tapping right there. Also, you could control the sounds. You have 8 different sounds. A very beautiful nightlight alarm clock, and you could see how it is right now. They have all different type of color. All you have to do is touch it like that. See that? You just tap on it, easy. If you turn in the back, you have all the control right here. It's very easy. You could dimmer every single thing. You got the alarm sound. We're gonna turn it up. See that? And then you can easily change. Got some birds. Got some music. And then you could dimmer it. You could lower the volume all the way down if you want. You could set your time, your alarm clock. And this is the control the display. So what we're going to show you right here, so you could see it. So you could dimmer it all the way low, or you could put it all the way bright. So that's pretty cool. Perfect for Christmas gift, birthday gift, or any kind of gift. And it's great for adult or kids, especially if you want to use it for a night light and a clock. It's better to buy a two-in-one like this because you save a lot of money and it's more better. And this is a really good low budget price for this actually. And you could also put in battery here as a backup, so that's a really good thing. It's a nice fabric kind of material over it. And what I like, you just tap, easily change the colors. So the kids will have lots of fun with this every night. Overall, it's a really good night light slash alarm clock. Good price, good quality, good features, and with all the sounds and the light, it's incredible. Check in the comment section for price and details. Don't forget to like and subscribe for upcoming videos on Product Zone, 100% free. We're going to give this bad boy a thumbs up.